In this video, I'll show you how to install a 300 plus real-life vehicle pack in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the essential pack and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing this mod, back up your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, drag and drop all these files inside a game folder, replace the file in the destination, and then go back, open the mod menu, cheat menu, drag and drop all the files except the install these and readme inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then go back, open the mega core pack necessary, drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and now go back, open the basic mods, required files, drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace file in the destination and then right click on this 14,000 KB and select show more options, send it to desktop, create shortcut. Launch the game through this newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, press Ctrl plus M to open up this cheat menu. Go to vehicle, spawn, two-door compact car. Select the car you like. Now to close this menu, press the Ctrl plus M and now you can write the sports car, guys. Every cars are changed to real life cars. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.